All right, we're kayaking today. Me and Brady, my nephew, my brother, and his wife, Carrie. It'll be fun. It's raining though. It was recording. I didn't even see those. I was recording the Playmobil guy. Having a good time?
You wouldn't give me no Pringles.
He won't give me none either.
He won't give you none either.
Not yet. Don't get me.
I'm not getting you. He's running. You can't go around that.